Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will be giving you guys an updated filming setup video. Finally, right? Finally. I'm so excited to be filming this video. I get so many questions on my lens, my camera, my lighting. So if you guys are interested in all of that information, all of that goodness, then please stay tuned. Y'all just don't know how excited I am to film this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the camera that I use. So the camera that I use to film all of my videos except my vlogs is a Canon T6i. It's a DSLR camera and I purchased it at Best Buy about 3-4 years ago, you guys. That's probably why you can't find it anymore, but I do see it on Amazon. Wow, it says one left in stock, but I do see it here on Amazon and it goes for $789. So the lens that comes with the camera is this one right here. It is a Canon 18-55mm lens. So it looks like this. It is a zoom lens, which means obviously that you can zoom in and out. And I feel like this is an amazing beginner lens, because y'all, I struggle so much to try to find like the perfect lens, and I will be talking about the other two that I have now, but this is the first one that I worked with, and it's so much easier to use because it's a zoom lens. Like I'm telling you guys, if you want to do close-up shots, like for example like makeup videos, and you want to get the close-up shots of the eye look, this is great because you can just reach onto your lens and like zoom it in and out. And I'm saying it like that because every single lens do not do that, okay? So this is a great lens to start off with. Next, I want to talk about the lens that I'm currently using, and it is my new baby, okay? Like I love this lens. When I tell you guys that I have been obsessed and I've always wanted a Sigma lens, okay? It's something about a Sigma, okay? It's something about a Sigma. Canon has really nice lenses as well, but it's something about a Sigma lens. It is very sharp, very crisp. So the lens that I'm using now, my new lens, is a Sigma 30mm lens. It's a f1.4 standard lens for Canon because I have a Canon DSLR camera, and this one is $500. Honey, let me tell you, I love this lens so much. It is perfect. It's everything that I wanted. As you guys can see, I went with a 30mm because I knew it was going to be perfect for the look that I was going for. You know what I mean? Like, it is showing everything I wanted to show at 30mm, if that makes sense. This is how I want to look in my videos, from like my shoulders and up. But a 30mm lens is perfect if you do a lot of sit down videos. Like I just sit here, I film makeup tutorials, so this is perfect for me in what I am doing. So this is another lens that does not zoom. So I want to let you guys know the settings that I have for this lens. So the aperture is at 1.4. The lower the f-stop number right here, the more blurry your background will be. So I have my shutter speed at 180 right here, and if you want to go brighter, all you have to do is just click it and you guys will see that it is getting brighter. So I keep it at 180. I feel like this looks perfect. Like it's not too bright, it's not too dark. The ISO speed is just at auto. That's what I keep it at, and that is my settings for this lens here. So one thing that I did hear about this lens is that the autofocus noise is very loud. So if I just showed an up close shot about this, and it is very slow to autofocus. So if I just went back, it's not that slow, but it's not as quick either. So yeah, it does take quite a time to autofocus on something that you want to show close up, like how I'm doing right now. But as you can see, it's a beautiful shot. The edges on this product is crisp, and the whole entire background is completely blurred out, as you guys can see. So if you're not interested in that long autofocus or the sound that comes with it with this lens, then I would recommend a different lens. I heard that the Canon 35mm is a great lens and it's quick at autofocusing and things like that. And before I did purchase this lens, you guys, I did so much research to make sure that it's the look that I want. And you know, on YouTube, you can search up anything here on YouTube, okay? And they have a lot of comparison videos, side-by-side videos, to see which one I like, how the quality is compared to a Canon. Like, I researched it so much, and I'm very happy with my purchase. It is everything for me and what I film for my channel. So next, let's get into lighting, the most important thing. Lighting makes a huge difference in your quality. So the lighting that I do use is I use two Limo Studios softboxes. I will leave everything linked below this time, y'all. So I have one on my right, one on my left, and I have a ring light. Hey guys, so this is the ring light that I use. I want to show you guys up close. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's from Limo Studios. It's the same brand as my soft boxes. It has the knob where you can make it as bright as you want, or you can dim it down. So yeah, and when I did purchase this ring light, it did come with a cover, a white and a orange cover, but I lost them both, y'all. So when I use my ring light, I just use it just like this. It can be a bit too bright, so all I do is like just dim it down. So the soft boxes are $75 for both. Very affordable, and these are great lights. They last a very long time, and I got them from Amazon. I will link everything down in my description this time, y'all, because y'all did go in on me in my last filming setup video. Another thing I want to share with you guys is the battery that I use for my camera. So when I first started filming, the most annoying thing with filming for me was having my battery die like every 20 minutes, every 20 to 30 minutes. It would already be blinking saying that it was about to die, and I haven't even done my foundation. So I watched Amanda Ensing, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, and I saw that she used a battery adapter that it basically keeps your camera on. Surprisingly, it keeps your camera on. This was such a lifesaver for me. The cameras are expensive, and I was very iffy about buying it because I didn't want this to like mess up my camera. So I was very iffy on purchasing it. So I finally did it because I was fed up with having to just sit with half a face done or just half a video done and having to sit and wait for the battery to charge on the wall for like 2 to 3 hours. So the one that I purchased, I got it off Amazon, is from TKDY store, and it is a power adapter for a bunch of Canon DSLR cameras. So it goes for $26 on Amazon. So I purchased this on August 24th, 2018. So yeah, I'm thinking about purchasing another one just for a backup, and I bought it in 2018 and it has not messed up my camera. Everything works fine. Just make sure you still do your research, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want you guys to go out and get something like this and like something does happen to your camera because your camera is older or it doesn't go with your camera. Like, you still have to do your research. So yeah, I still did a lot of research, and it is everything. It keeps my camera on. My camera doesn't die. I don't still have to take out my battery, charge it in the wall. I haven't done that in so long. So all you have to do is just connect it to your camera and plug it in a outlet, and that is it. So next I want to talk about mics. So I was on a hunt for a good mic years ago because I just want everything about my videos to be great, you know, as great as it can get. And I was researching a whole bunch of mics. Everybody I think knows about the Rode mics. Those go for like $100 to $200. I was thinking about purchasing that, but I researched a lot, you guys. I researched so much on Google, so much on YouTube, and I seen a video where a guy was talking about these mics right here. He was talking about this mic right here. It's little. It just clips on your shirt and it plugs into your camera. So it is called the Boya microphone. So you can plug this in your camera or your phone, and this is $14.50 on Amazon right now. The mic on my camera is not that good. It makes me sound like I'm very far away. Oh, y'all, this whole time I'm over here talking about mics and it wasn't even plugged in my camera. That is another mistake that I always do. This isn't even plugged in. So let me go ahead and plug this in so you guys can hear the difference. Wow, I can't believe I didn't have my mic plugged in all this time. Well, now you guys can see what I mean by how different I sound right now. So it's a big difference for only $15, okay? So yeah, that is the mic that I use. Hey guys, quickly tell you guys basically how I can see myself on the screen on my laptop here. So with my camera, it came with a USB cord, and it is hooked up on the side of my camera right there. And of course, you just want to plug it inside your laptop. So after you do that, you have to follow the information on the manual. What I did is I went to like Canon's website and I download Eos Utility. So when you have the app and turn your camera on and plug in the USB cord, it should look just like this on your laptop screen after you open the app. So I'm going to quickly show you guys everything that I have set up back here because this is part of my filming setup. So I have this beautiful painting right here. This is my favorite piece. This is so me. I ordered two of them it's from Hobby Lobby. I ordered two of them because I needed another one, y'all. Like, it's just so pretty, and when I move, I can't wait to hang up both. And when I got this online, they were half off. I need to go online to see if they still even have this, and I will link it below as well if you guys are interested. This is just everything. It's so me, like the neutral shades, the pop of gold, like I love it. All right, you guys, so this is a little bookshelf that I picked up from Target. So what I have on my shelf, I seen this at Marshall's, and everything that I picked up, y'all, I bought it last year, and y'all know how hectic last year was. Everything was literally out of stock. I went to Home Goods trying to find like little decor pieces like this, and nothing was on the shelf. So I was so surprised when I found this just sitting there at Marshall's, and this was only $7.99, y'all, and it is the perfect size. It's pretty big. So next I have my little Vanilla Bean Bath and Body Works candle here. This is what I lit up in every video, and you guys see it in the background. And I just have this because, for one, I love vanilla scents and I love the white packaging on it. I hate that all of these nails show on top, but oh well, you guys can't really see that. So the last thing is, I told y'all, it's very simple. Okay, so I ordered these last year as well. I got it from UPS. Well, I ordered these from Michael's and it came through UPS. Literally everything that I ordered from UPS looks like somebody jumps on them. Everything. And these were like, when I took it out, they were already falling. The little petals were falling off. And they look so freaking dead, and they're fake plants. But this is what I have in the background. It doesn't look that bad when I'm filming. You know what I mean? When I'm pretty far away from it. So it doesn't look that bad. But I really want to get more, make it much fuller. So in here, y'all, this glass I have forever. This is just from Dollar Tree, y'all. It's just $1. And I got these little crystals that are inside from Michael's as well. I didn't know if I should order 1 or 2 bags to fill up this whole vase, and I should have got 2, but I'm gonna do it over. I'm definitely gonna fill it all the way up. I might get a new vase. I'm on the hunt for a new vase, and I've seen some really nice one come out at Target, and I don't know, this isn't fully satisfying me anymore, and I want a new vase, new little like picks, faux flowers, and yeah. But for now, this is my background that you guys see. It's very simple. I don't want too much going on in the background anymore. Like, y'all see me change up my background a lot if you've been subscribed for a long time. So I hope you guys did learn something. If you have any more questions or want me to do a part 2 going more in depth about everything, please let me know that down below. All the links to everything that I mentioned in this video will be down in my description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that was it. I hope I didn't miss anything. If I did, I will make a part 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.